Hello and welcome back to one of my videos. I'm going to show you now one of my cherished plants. This is Arum Italicum Ghost. I bought this plant, and this is another favorite of mine. This is Polygonatum odoratum spiral staircase. Both plants are from Plant Delights Nursery from North Carolina, USA. I bought these plants when I was interning in Ohio in 2010. Look at the giant inflorescence. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, and it smells pretty bad. So, look at these beautiful foliage, the markings, almost pure white. Beautiful. This is like the species. It's going to have a Mediterranean life cycle. It's going to go dormant soon after flowering and sprout back in September when the weather is getting moister and cooler, and it overwinters with full foliage. So, and this plant is beautiful. It really looks like a spiral staircase. I love it. Thank you for your attention. If you like my content, you can like and subscribe and ring the bell. You can also leave a comment. And thank you for your attention. See you next time.